Hello, friends. Here are a number of demonstrations uh, explaining the interaction between electricity and magnetism. We start by looking at what a magnetic field looks like. If you want to follow along with a handout that I use for my class, you can find that in the description below, a link to that. And here we go. In this demonstration, I'm putting a strong C magnet on top of a fluid filled with magnetic material, and you can see what the field is starting to look like. And then in this one, I'm moving a compass around a magnet so you can see how the compass is pointing, right? So notice that north, the red is pointing to south, and the white was pointing to north. So you get an idea of what the field looks like. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking the wire is hanging there near the magnet, and I'm connecting it and disconnecting it from a battery. And so there's current through it, and when the current goes through it, it jumps. You can see it jumping. And so that means that there is a force on a current carrying wire due to a magnetic field. Now what I'm doing is I'm connecting that solenoid, so the wire wrapped around the tube, to a battery. And when you see when I do that, it creates a magnetic field. What I have here now is a coil near what's called a galvanometer. Galvanometer measures current, sensitive to current. And you can see that the dial is moving. It's a little hard to see with the glare, but the dial is moving when I move the magnet around the coil, in the magnet, outside of the magnet. Now, if I just leave it there, right, if it's not moving, then the galvanometer settles to zero. So current is produced when a moving magnet is near a coil, or when there's a changing magnetic field through a coil. Now I have a loop of wire, and I'm going to create a magnetic field with the loop of wire by hooking it up to a battery. I'm going to see if the magnetism from that loop can generate current in the other loop. So keep an eye on the galvanometer. Notice that as I connect and disconnect from the battery, making current through the loop connected to the battery, that creates a magnetic field, and that change in magnetic field induces current in the other loop. So I hope that helped you understand electricity and magnetism and electromagnetism and how those two forces can interact with each other. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.